Hi, my name is Mike, and this is a story about my adventure in my lovely yacht, White Malkin. Well, it's cheery bye to StMiguel, Ponta Delgado, and making our way now to another island called Terceira, and I can't remember the name of the port, but it's a very uninteresting port, but it's okay. And we're going to meet my friend Richard North, whose epic voyage of however many days it was quite a few. And I thought he was going to get in Tuesday or Wednesday, but he's not. He's going to, I reckon, he'll get in tonight. So I thought, right, we'll set sail and we'll greet him in Terceira. He's done a very, very good voyage, no doubt about that. Very difficult voyage. Smaller boat, slower, obviously quasi racing. They don't call it a race, but they're not allowed to use the engine or anything like that. There are certain rules. So anyway, this is where we are heading, and it's in that direction. Got to go around that point over there, and then I don't know what direction it is, probably 300 probably magnetic, around about that. Anyway, we'll check when we get there. Hello, it's in the afternoon of the 1st of July, and halfway over to Terceira from StMiguel, and it's got about another 40 odd miles to do. Just going to make a cup of tea, yeah, not a bad passage. It's a bit bumpy in places, I have to say, for the wind strength, but I suppose it's going northeast, so the fetch is had thousands of miles to build up this chop. Now, talking about the chop, not personally, by the way, but talking about the sea chop, to be very specific, the chart is very interesting. Actually, it shows some huge 5,000 meters tall pieces of landmass underneath the sea, and there's still a couple of hundred meters over the top of them. But it just shows you the whole area is one big volcanic wasteland, I suppose, for what the better terminology. Yeah, but it's a lovely day, pardon me, and I set off about 9 o'clock this morning, I suppose. I was due to set off at 7, but I think an extra few minutes in my bunk, and then I got the boat ready, and off we went. So there we go. Enjoy. There we are, one boat leaving, one ship leaving, and Richard North arriving. And there he is, the intrepid yachtsman, all the way from Marchwood Yacht Club, Southampton, having sailed over 3,000, probably 3,400 miles, knowing these Jester lads and lasses in their intrepid boats. And I'm just motoring out in my dinghy to greet him. And there he is. There we are. Well done, Richard. Fantastic achievement, and an inspiration to others, which is always very, very important when you're doing something in life. You may not get a cup, you may not get a prize, but one thing you do get is that special gift that inspires others. So never forget that, boys and girls. Whoever's listening and watching this little video that I'm taking, because inspiration is a massive part of life. It's something you get from a gift that always keeps giving. And there we go. There is Richard. Approaching Terceira. I'll pan round and show you this beautiful island. So I arrived here early doors yesterday. Well, last night actually. Come to think of it. It's a very beautiful island. One of 9 islands. The Azores are one of 9, and there's no doubt about it. They are very, very beautiful. They're very, very green, and they are a wonderful nationality. The Portuguese are very friendly. They are on these islands anyway. They can't do enough for you. Can't do enough for you. And I'm sure Richard will enjoy that hospitality that these lovely Portuguese people will offer him and his fellow Jesters. I understand, talking to Richard this morning, that that there is the mayor of this island has prepared a gathering, a party, whatever, a celebration, and Richard will be there along with all the other Jesters this Friday, and I think it's wonderful. I'm sure you'll agree the same. So as you say, there's one ship leaving. Where it's going north, so it might be going to Southampton, you never know. Some of these ships do go to Southampton. And of course, there we are, we have Richard North, intrepid yachtsman of the south coast of England, solo passage, over 1,400 miles. He's hit some extremely challenging weather, I do know that. And I think everybody should take their hats off. And we have a prize in Marchwood Yacht Club for the best sailor yachtsman of the year, and I will be certainly nominating Richard North, because by golly gosh, he does deserve it. That there's no doubt, and I'll be happy, very, very happy to hand that over to Richard. And well earned, and I'm sure he was well received. Well done. There we are, we have him in there coming up to the line in his Moody 29, and I'm in my little dinghy. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Well done, Richard. Well done. It's a bit noisy, but there you go, that's what outboards do, they make a noise. Good morning everybody. It's Sunday, I can't remember what date it is. Oh, the 7th, Sunday the 7th of July. And I'm just filming a little bit of camaraderie in the Jesters. The Jesters is a solo race. It's not, well, actually it's not a race, it's more of a gathering of yachts that have sailed across from the UK, and this is one of them. It's Sadler 29, and because it's got a 30-foot maximum length on the boat, and he's just about to move into a berth which has been allocated to him. So I'm going to wander over and give him a hand. It just shows you all the camaraderie of, Marchwood Yacht Club is great, and other organisations, in particular the Jesters, are very, very good indeed.
Yeah. I like it. If you've been bitten twice, I get it. Small house in the Azores. That's with a view.
Well, thank you very much indeed for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it entertained you. My next vlog will be in 7 days' time, and I very much look forward to you joining me on my continued voyage around the world on my beautiful Rustler 36 White Malkin.